The Income Tax Department have moved a petition in the lower court asking for permission to question former Telecom Minister A. Raja along with Shahid Balwa as well as Reliance ADAG employees Gautam Doshi and Hari Nair in the 2G spectrum scam. Poonam Agarwal joining us on the phone line with more on this. Poonam, explain what exactly is the expectation from this questioning. What does the Income Tax Department want to find out, and will these four be questioned together?
Well, Deep, as you understand that there are several investigating agencies who are working on this case simultaneously, including CBI, ED and Income Tax Department. The reason Income Tax Department has sought permission to question all these people because they are in judicial custody and without court's permission they cannot question them. The Income Tax Department is looking after the tax evasion aspect of the entire scam and also the black money which was used to bribe all these ministers and DOT officials for getting the 2G spectrum license. That would be the main focus of the Income Tax Department. The petition has been moved by the IT department today, and the order on this particular petition is expected at around 1 o'clock as to when the court gives the permission and which day and where these people will be questioned. That would be decided by the judge today. It can happen that it generally happens that the Income Tax Department or any other investigating agency, they individually question these people. So it could be that the questioning will happen in the jail or also at the court premises depending on the judge. Deep.
All right, Poonam, thanks very much for that update there. Poonam bringing us the latest on this story.